Hello, hello. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for stopping by again. I just wanted to kind of give you a very brief video on what a dividend is. In investing, by definition, a dividend is a sum of money paid regularly, typically quarterly, by a company to its shareholders out of its profits or reserves. Okay, so as a company, you look at your operating expenses and things of that nature. You look at your budgets. And then the key thing is the companies look at their retained earnings. And once they figure out all their expenses and things of that nature, they'll look at their retained earnings and say, hey, we have this amount of cash over our budget that we can either A, reinvest into the business, different projects, growth and development, things of that nature, or B, we can say, hey, to the shareholders, we truly appreciate you all for believing in our company and investing your money. And so what we want to do is give you a dividend payment. It's almost basically like you're drawing interest on your money when the company performs well. A lot of times if you look at different tech stocks, some of them don't necessarily, like if you look at Tesla, for instance, they don't pay a dividend. Sometimes the CEO will announce ahead of time, like, hey, we're in a growth strategy for a particular amount of years, and under those terms and conditions, the shareholders know, like, hey, we're not going to really, we believe in the company, so we're going to keep our money, and we're going to see the substantial growth in the stock price, but we're not going to actually receive the dividend payout. And so that's just one of those things as an investor. You have to look at your portfolio and see where you are, where you want to be impactful. And I think it's best to have a well-diversified portfolio in which you're participating in some stocks that are basically just value stocks in which that they grow in value over time, and you have dividend-paying stocks in which, when they perform well, you get a dividend payment. And so I definitely think that everyone should take advantage of dividends, and that wraps it up. Don't forget to hit the like button, and besides that, you all take care and be wise with your investments.